Hi tinnitus sufferers. You want to know if Synapse XT works, or not. I've seen some videos on YouTube that claim it's a scam, but you really need to take those with a grain of salt. What works for one person, may not work for another. Let me tell you my tinnitus story, and you can see if it rings a bell. Oops, sorry, excuse the pun. I was perfectly healthy and happy until all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I developed tinnitus. No, it was not caused by any loud sounds or music. Nothing. Anyway, as a result, I had about 1,000 cicadas screaming in my ears, combined with a high-pitched ring on top of that sound in one ear, or both, all of which occurred 24/7, with no relief. I did the usual, which I'm sure you probably did, or are in the process of doing, that is, saw my general medical doctor, tried every over-the-counter ear drug, drops and plunger, earwax removal kit, saw an ENT doctor, had an audiogram, ear test, ear, nose and throat exam, even blood tests and an MRI. Nothing, except to be told, you have perfectly healthy ears, just tinnitus and some loss of the mid-range frequencies in both ears, and you could try hearing aids. That was frustrating. I even searched online and found several exercises to do, like finger drumming, yoga positions with my head between my knees, yuck, poking and prodding my ears until they ached. Does this sound familiar? I believe that what I have should really be called Synapsitis, staticky sounds caused by the haywire, missed communication between the synapses of the brain neurons, similar to a static television channel, but heard in the ears. Well, my last resort was when I stumbled upon Synapse XT, and read the research, reviews, ingredients used, etc. and decided to give it a shot. What did I have to lose? The ingredients were all natural. I learned that you have to be patient with Synapse XT. I noticed that on day 4, I felt incredibly alert, and it wasn't until the second or third week that I noticed the hissing and ringing sounds started to decrease in volume and pitch. Thank goodness. After 4 weeks, all of a sudden, I could recite nursery rhymes and facts from 50 years ago. This was very weird, but also cool. Another 2 weeks, and the hissing and ringing ceased. Now, I'm still taking Synapse XT, to see what the next phases of the supplement produce, so I don't have an update yet. But, so far, I feel much better, more alert, and my memory has dramatically improved. Oh, and the tinnitus, what tinnitus? Just remember, everyone is different, and you may experience faster or slower results than me. You need to be patient. The good news is that each bottle contains 60 capsules. So give it a shot. Click on the link below to try Synapse XT.